The future of laser skin regeneration is no longer superficial. It works deeper, smarter. It transforms completely. Every season brings change, every cycle renewal. But what if your skin could do the same? Introducing DeepRenew, the triple impact rejuvenation protocol powered by DeepSpot, redefining what's possible in one session for a new standard in rejuvenation. Deep mode rejuvenates beneath the surface for visibly younger looking skin. Warm mode redefines contours and enhances lift. Cold mode smooths fine lines, restoring clarity and glow. Are you ready to experience the future? DeepRenew, where science meets renewal and transformation begins.